हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा 4 वेज व्हाइट बोर्ड क्रिएट करने की। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। पहला है कि आप अपने वन नोट के अंदर कैसे व्हाइट बोर्ड बना सकते हैं। बहुत सारे लोगों ने मेरे से ये भी पूछा था कि हम 2016 वर्जन में भी कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। तो मैं पहले आपको अपने वर्जन का दिखा देता हूँ 2019, फिर 2016 को भी हम देखेंगे, वो भी थोड़ा 2019 से सिमिलर ही है। इसके लिए आपको व्यू ऑप्शन के अंदर जाना है। जब आप अपना नोटबुक क्रिएट कर लेंगे, मैंने यहाँ पर बहुत सारे नोटबुक्स बना रखे हैं। अगर आपकी नोटबुक यहाँ पर नहीं है देन यू कैन फाइंड नोटबुक हेयर in your OneDrive, or if you want to create your notebook again you can create here by this. And after choosing any notebook, this is the personal notebook which I don't use many times. I write notes in that. This is one of my favorite notebook and this is my notebook which I use to draw. Now I have created a new section in it. You can change the color by clicking on it, so you will be easier to find it. Here you can see there are lots of color. Oh sorry. So now what you have to do, first you have to hide this navigation. This is only for the OneNote. When you will hide, you have to go to first view, then in the page color you will click. In the OneNote, there is an option for these gradient color for whiteboards. You can choose these to create your notes like this. This is a very good color. But if you want to create a blackboard in it, then you should go to more color and you can choose a black color from here. You can choose any color, like if you are creating a green board, you can create green. You can choose red color. You can choose the white color. Sorry, you can choose the pink color. You can choose the dark pink color. This is light green. This is blue. This is dark blue. This is violet. You can choose any color whichever you want. And if you don't like this color, you can click on no fill. Now I am choosing black for here. Okay, I have choose that color. Now many were asking that how to create rule lines in the OneNote. This is not available in every OneNote, but this is available in OneNote. So what you will go to the rule lines. Here is rule lines. You can click on this. The rule line will come. This is so big rule line. This is medium rule line. This is small rule line. This is very small rule line. Okay, so I would recommend you should go to college rule or the standard rule or the wide rule. The best one is the standard rule and the wide rule. And the smaller, if you write small note, then you can go to college rule. But this is the last one, which is known as the narrow rule. It is not good for anyone. But if you want to create in a note, so you can zoom in by here. Now, if you are teaching graph, you can go to very grid, very large grid, medium grid, small grid. Okay. If you do not like this, so you can click on no. Now after this, if you are teaching with a pen, so when you will go pen, it will automatically on this. Okay, so you can see my pen is now automatically on. Now if I will write on it, so it's easier to write. Right. Easy to write. But some color will not work on it. Green is a good color, working. Red will work. The pink one will work. This uh, this is the effect color. It will also go to working. Effect. Change its thickness. And there are 8 effects as in the PowerPoint. And you can see a preview of here that is color working. Like this color, is this color working? No, this is not. If you log in, it will work. Sorry, I was saying that it is working on it. So red color is also working. It's a really good color, red effect color. But black color will not work. Here you can see no one. So you should go to the white color. White will work very good because white is working on. Okay. And these are highlighter. Which highlighter will work? You can go and see. Here you can see some highlighter will not come here because because you have chosen the black color. So no need of whiteboard more than here you can see now I have chosen. But now if you have done this and if you want to go to the see your notes, so you can go to these colors, then you will be able to see. These colors are automatically set by the OneNote, blue, green and this. Or you can choose any more color in this. Or if you don't like this color, you can go to no fill if you are like to teach on whiteboard. And you can teach on whiteboard. Easy. Okay, it's good now. Now this option is of for shape. If you want to insert shapes, you can insert. If you want to insert angles or the graphs, which you need to teach math, and you can do into shape also sometimes. Okay. And if you want to erase, you can erase it always. And if you want to lasso select, it is also available here. This is the space. If you want to insert a space in a notebook, then you can go to that, and this will insert a space in it. Okay. This is select if you, and this is draw with touch if you are using your mouse, and when you will choose a color with your mouse, then it will automatically got selected. So first you have to select this, then you can draw. Otherwise it will not work. If you will select it, not working, it will automatically select to the type text mode. Now again when we will click on it, then it will select it. Okay, and we can draw it to mouse, but mouse is not familiar. Okay, not familiar. Okay, so this was our first OneNote. Now let's go to the OneNote 2016 or 2019. This is the 2016 version or 2019 version. Now what you will go to again view option. Note, Word or any other software. I will give you more, but there are only some colors which is available by there. So you can choose any color. Now I am choosing this color, which is known as magenta color. You can also choose the rule lines as you, or you can set that always create pages with rule line. This is not available in our simple note, OneNote, and you can also do the page size here. Now let's select the draw option. It will automatically open the draw. Here are some colors which you can use. This is green one. Now this is blue one. This is red one. This is black one. This is highlighter. Highlight something. Any color highlighter. And now if you are not appreciate with its size or its thickness or its color, so what you will go, there is no option in it. You can select the more thickness by here, but the option isn't available more. So what you will do, you will just go to color and thickness. I have already clicked. Here it is color and thickness. You will click on it. The all option will be available here. This is 0.5 mm, which you can say that it's half of a. This is 0.7 mm. This is 1.0 mm. This is 1.2 mm. This is 3.5. This is 5.4. The 5.0 mm is the most biggest size, and the 0.25 mm is the most smallest size. Now let's. And if you can also select the highlighter color also and the pen color also. Now I am choosing this color, which is known as 0.1 mm. Let's see what happened. I think I have not chosen it. Okay, now I have chosen OneNote. So oh sorry. So it's writing very more thickness. This is simple, which is known as like this. Simple. simple one which is available in your this one, and you can choose the color by here also, and you can do the ink to test, ink to math also, and if you want to draw the shapes, here is also shapes available. Okay, so this was for our simple this was for our 2016 or 2019. Now let's go to the Word and the PowerPoint. So first I will tell you about the Word, but for Word the every option isn't available in 2016, but I will tell you a option, so be ready with me. So after opening the Word, this will be your interface. You can see all over your Word document. So first you will click on any of these. Now I am clicking on a blank document because blank document has a lot of options. When it's open, here you can see its interface. Now how to draw in it. You can change the size by here as well. Now what you will do, you will again go to the view option, you will go to the design option in it, not in the view option. And in the page color, there is a lot of option, but if you are using the 2016 version, it is also available in the design option. Now I am choosing black color, which yeah, it's available now. If you are using 2016 version, then you will go to the review option, and here it is me showing it is that it's hiding, but in your 2016 version there will be a ink option. Okay, here you can see that it's not available in my version because it's made in 2016. If your version is again not available, so I have already told in my previous video, go to option here or just go to any of these, right click on it, right click on it, customize the ribbon, then this will appear and you can go here. Now if I try to do the pen option, I am just going to show you that is it available or not. I searched for it in my Word, but it's not available, so I will recommend that you should try it on the Word 2016. You will go to the review option, and in this ink option you will find it for me that hide ink, but for you in 2016 version it will be ink, okay, or the pen. Okay, two names will be ink or pen because it will be for 2013. Now if I will move my cursor on it, so draw option will automatically on. Option, then let's choose the white color of draw in the Word. Okay, if you are using 2019 version, so it will option with the draw, but for your option that will be for 2016, it will be very different. I will try to do that. Okay, so this is the draw option in the Word. Now let's come on the PowerPoint. After opening PowerPoint, this will be your interface. You have to check in your account option that it's 2019 or not. Then open a blank presentation. For 2016, it will same as I show that to Word. It will in your review option and in this option. Okay, but now I'm going to draw on it. Now I will use my cursor and I will go to the write on it, automatically writing. This is my Office 2019 version, and if you are drawing it in the slideshow mode, so what you will do on your slideshow mode, it will not in the reading mode, and you can draw in it for Office 2019 automatically. And if the pointer is not coming, right click on it, pointer option, ink color, there will be several ink color like blue, and there will be a pen mode also. Okay, now I am writing with my blue. After this, a mistake what teacher do after this, when they press their escape key, this comes that Microsoft PowerPoint. Do you want to keep your ink annotation? Keep or the discard option. So if you want to keep your, then click on keep, or if you want to discard, you can click on discard. But for keep, it will on your slide. So now I'm clicking on the keep. It now comes, and here you can see Now I can also do modification on it. Okay, but the pencil option isn't good, so do not use the pencil option, only use the pen option. So the last one which I'm going to show is Jamboard. Now let's come on Jamboard. Okay, but before I go to the Jamboard, I will say you that please consider subscribing my channel if you like my videos, and like my videos if you think the videos are helpful. Okay, so let's go. You will click on these 9 dots. After clicking on these dots, wait a second. Yes, there will be option under the second category. There will be option of Jamboard. Here you can see it's Jamboard. Now I'm clicking on the Jamboard. So there will be all the jam files that you can see. If you want to delete them, you can delete. These are my meeting file and these are my first Jamboard. Now, what you will do, I will click on this new jam for creating a new Jamboard. Now it's open. What you will go to this pen option, select the pen option, select the color, whatever you want to write. And now you will come in it and you will write using it. Color option. And it's a good source of whiteboard and blackboard. You can see this is black color. Every color will work on it instead of these all color will work on it. Now let's go to the marker. Now let's choose another color. Marker option, which is bolder than the pen. If you like the marker option, you should use the marker. Now I'm doing big for you. I'm doing 100 for it. Okay. And now I'm scrolling down. Option of marker. If you want to write in a big, so you can do big, but I will recommend you that you should go to the fit, which is available by the Jamboard. You should go to the fit option here, and then you should use it. Use Jamboard. Sometimes it's lag if you are writing constantly, but this option is a good option. But when you click on new slide, then you have to again select the board to write on. And you can do whatever you like. You can draw the shapes using your pen, or you can draw shapes by here. There are some shapes available. Use the shapes to draw, and you can teach that triangle. And there is no scale option, and you can write that how much centimeter it is. Okay, so you can write anything on it, whatever you want. Okay, so you can write anything, whatever you like. You can teach like 7, 8. You can write number on it. You can write alphabet on it in your writing. Okay, and you can ask the question, what is the answer for it? Okay, and if you want to share with your students, so you can share. You will go to the share option. In the share option, there will be a option known as get link. You will click to change it as anyone with the link. Okay. Restricted mode will be on, but you have to click on the anyone with link. If there will be a tick, then your student can see. If you like that student can edit on it, so you can go to view and you can do it on view. Now I am again doing on restricted because I don't want to. Okay. And if you create a new board, then you can choose whiteboard or a blackboard, as I told you previously. Oh, sorry. This is whiteboard. Okay. And this was our blackboard. And you can create maximum slide but the limit of the slide are, now I'm going to tell you the limit of the slides is more than 20. Okay, so no more than 20. After, when you have created it, if you want to delete those slides which you don't like, you have to go to these three dots and you can delete them. Again, go to these three dots, delete them. Like this you can, and you can go on by this using this method. This is a very good method using it. Okay, and you can go to any slide by using these. Okay, and if you don't like this, you can click on this to collapse it. Okay, and by this three dots you can rename it. You can download as a PDF, save frame as image, remove, make a copy, get harm, and you can do the version history also here as well. So this was all for today's video. If you like this video, so give a thumbs up, and if you are liking our videos and you are finding it helpful, so please consider subscribing my channel. Okay, and now the time is to say you bye bye.